In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate shapes in Canva. If you've ever wanted to tilt an arrow, turn a circle into a diagonal accent, or simply adjust the angle of a shape so it fits your layout perfectly, this quick walkthrough will make it effortless. Start by heading to your project in Canva. You can open any existing design you're working on, and once you're in the editor, take a moment to locate the shape you want to rotate. This could be a rectangle, a line, a star, any shape you've already placed on your canvas. Make sure you can see it clearly in your workspace so the next step is easy. Click the shape once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around it with handles at the corners and sides. Focus your attention toward the bottom of that box. You'll see a small rotating arrow icon. This is the control you'll use to rotate the shape. Move your cursor over that icon. As you hover, your cursor will typically change to indicate rotation, letting you know you're in the right place. Now, click and drag that rotating arrow icon. As you drag, the shape will rotate smoothly around its center, and you'll see it turning in real time. Drag clockwise to rotate right, or counterclockwise to rotate left. If you're aiming for a subtle tilt, move your mouse slowly and watch how the angle adjusts. For a bolder rotation, drag further and keep an eye on how it aligns with the rest of your design. When the angle looks right to you, simply release the mouse. That sets the rotation in place. If the shape isn't moving, double check that you're grabbing the rotating arrow at the bottom, not the corner handles. Those are for resizing, not rotating. It can help to pause for a second after clicking the shape to make sure the selection box is active. Precision often comes from a steady, gentle drag, so don't rush this part. A small movement can make a big difference. That's really all there is to it. Go to your project, find the shape you want to adjust, click to select it, then click and drag the rotating arrow icon at the bottom to set the exact angle you need. Once you release, your shape will stay at that rotation, ready for you to continue designing. Thanks for watching, and enjoy giving your shapes the perfect angle to bring your Canva designs to life.